If you engineer this video, they may likely hack all your social media accounts and steal all your password to your online wallet. So to stop this from happening, follow me to the screen to show you what to do. Let's go.
All right, this is what you really need to do. Come over to your phone settings and click on it. Now you will realize that there is a little mirror-like object here. Click on it. Okay, there is a search, and then type in the device admin. Once you have it typed like this and search it, it will appear like this. This particular stuff that you are seeing here. Now click on it for me. Once you have it clicked, it will still appear like this. Just scroll up and come over it here and click on it. Okay, please help me share this. This video is very much important, except you want to lose your valuable financial resources. Help me share to save others. Now come over to this very admin app and click on it for the second time. You might not really understand why I'm making this very video. Now do you see this these applications here? There are 3 in number. They have access, full access and control over this very particular phone. I will tell you why I'm making this very video, but before then, let's read all this right up here. Okay, let's read it together. Device admin app can enforce password requirement and other security policies on your phone. They can disable the camera and other features, and they can lock or reset your phone remotely even without your knowledge. Employers often use a device admin app to protect work-related data. You should only allow device admin access to apps that you know very well and you trust them. Do you understand? Now, this is what these hackers do in order to steal your password to your online banks and to your social media channels. They will send an application to you in form of a link, and once you click on that very link will be installed as an application remotely without you seeing it. There is nothing you will search on this phone, on that very phone, that will make you to see that very application. That application will be hidden. You clicked on it as a link, but it will be hidden on your phone. Anything you are doing, any of your channel or any of your page that you logged into, and after pressing that very password, as you are typing in the password, it will be stealing it one after the other. For instance, if you want to do transaction or transfer through your phone, or you want to buy something online, it will steal all your data. And once they have access to that password and to the site that you logged into, my dear, they will lock you out of that your phone. And you may be wondering, Shebi, I get Google Authenticator. Shebi, I use the 2-factor authentication to protect my account. How come? This is one of the reasons why. So kindly go now and check your own. If you see any application that is so strange here to you, just kindly remove it. Why I allow these two is that the first one is an antivirus that is protecting my phone from external and internal virus. The second one is a FineHub, which helps me to track my phone if this phone got lost, though I turned it off for now due to some reason. Why the last one is for outlet device policy. 3 of them are very much important, and I know them and I trust them. And how to remove it is to click on any of it like this, and then come over here and click on uninstall, and it will be deleted permanently from your phone. As you can see, those 3, they are inactive. If I want to activate them, I will just click on that activate button and they will start working. So help me share this video for others to benefit. Thank you.